Greetings from the Royal Academy. Ajman, this is Vice Principal with you. Weekly updates and spotlight on the updates that is going to come up in the weeks ahead of us. The last week witnessed the hard work and dedication of the entire team, both students and educators. And we would like to say that our plans continued in alignment with our curriculum. We are leading the students to see that how well they balance both the intra and inter-school activities. Our students from both kindergarten and also primary, they participated in inter-school activities, and our primary school students, especially girls, they walked on ramps, and we call them Fashion Palooza on the theme of sustainability. And it was in Dubai Way School, and coming back to different other inter-school activities. You can see the updates both in our weekly updates that comes to you weekly and also on our social media pages. And remarkable achievement under 14 girls Kabaddi. We are so proud of them. They gave them their best on the grounds for the CBSE UAE Cluster Tournament. That is an achievement that we would like to talk about. Coming back to our campus, our Department of ICT, Computer Science, they organized Tech Week, ranging from different projects that presented, ranging from presentation on technology and also giving energy saving solutions. And the students expressed their ideas. We call them Tech Talk. Kudos to the Department of English. They increased the number of writers, authors in the writing shed of Writers Forum. We call Royal Writers Forum. And students see that we know that you're excited about your summer break, but then attendance is important. Come regularly, come on time. You are going to see power-packed days ahead of you. And our viewers, that you know that what you see behind me, the much awaited CBSE UAE Cluster Handball Boys under 14, 17 and 19. The campus witnessed sparks of energy across the campus, and also the dedication of our organizing team. Then you can hear the applause and the loud behind us. And also we said that each school well played, and as a school and also a spectrum of school, we can say that CBSE family, we are so proud about our boys. Have a look at them, how well they played. And again, reminding you, dear parents, don't forget our plan of the week, open house, book fair and blood donation campaign. One more reminder, talk to us, follow us, our social media pages. We would like to see you, and pick up that mobile and give a call to our admission office. We would like to see you. Join us before we close for the summer break. Have a seat with a bang. Closing. Goodbye. See you.